Greetings traders, it is Monday, October 1st, 2018, and I'm gonna get busy started trading here, and I am back to trading again, and hope all of you traders have been doing well. Oil market has been moving really good, codes have been working fantastic, and it's been a lot better than I thought it would at the end of August and September. So, but here we are in October. Things should start heating up here even more so. So it's a good time to trade, and I'm back to trading. And anyway, I'm going to use code 2. I'm going to free trade the code 2 since it's Monday, and but I have a good idea what it's going to be. And I'm going to take an entry, and I will be back as soon as I have. I've got a short position, I'll be right back. Okay, stop has been set to 72.38. Exit is for 60 ticks. I may go for more. Let's go take a look at the daily. Okay. We're looking really good here. We're looking very, very good here. I may go for more than just 60 ticks. More looks like more like 100, but let me watch it for a little bit and make sure that the code 2 using the breakout technique has a confirmation that it's going to be a short, and then we can look for an exit of somewhere around 100 ticks or so, I think. Anyway, I will come back using code 2 for oil, and this code 2 is being tracked within my charting service every day, every trading day. I'll be back. It's starting to come down here. My exit is way down at 67, 72, 67. So I'm going to adjust that soon, because it could drop really quick into the exit, and I don't want it to do that. I'll be back. Okay, it's moving up here. If it hits the stop, I'm going to take it long. I'll be back. Okay, I've got a long position. I'm going to reset the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, let's go take a look now at the daily and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've gotten a reversal, and we have a code 2 saying go long using the breakout technique. Therefore, it's going to go higher here, and I'm going for 100 ticks, putting it up to 74.40 for 100 ticks. This is actually what I called for in the charting service, for it to move up today. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, it's beginning to move up here. Still got a long ways to go to get to the 100 ticks, which again is way up at 74.40, and a long ways to go. It's just getting started here. This is what the daily looks like. Back off to the 10-minute. There you go. So very, very early on in the trading, but the chances of it making it to the exit are pretty good right now, I would say. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I'm back. It's almost made it to the exit. I'm just going to jump out right here. Oh, sorry about that. I just got back to the computer. I didn't realize it already got me out. Okay, so I'm already out of the trade for 100 ticks, but didn't make the full 100 ticks because I had already lost the first trade. Okay, so anyway, out of the trade. I'm all done, and I hope you traders are doing well. I'm back to trading again, and somebody said to me today about the oil market not moving very much. I don't know where they're getting their information. Oil market's moving really good right now, and it actually is probably going to increase quite a bit. So, but even if it doesn't, it's moving really good right now. Anyway, I'll be back for some more trading. Happy trading out there, traders.